Hello again, this is Brian from the Vintage Type, and today's video is on how to package an Oliver to avoid damage in shipping. This is the best way that I've found to do that. I've had a couple Olivers come to me that were fairly well packed, but the carriage was left on. And what ended up happening was, in transit, the carriage was jostled pretty hard back and forth, and it did chip these teeth on the star wheel. So the first thing I want to do is take the carriage off, and then what I'll do, of course, is to wrap this separately. As long as you wrap them pretty well and put them behind the machine and not over the keys, that's pretty much the key to all this. So good packaging as far as lots of foam and bubble wrap, and then taking the carriage off is the main secret to that. So I'll start wrapping it up. All right, the last bit of the job is to put a little tape on it, and then it's all packaged up, ready to go. So a couple days ago, I went to Ace Typewriter and took a video so you guys could see what the front of it looks like. So let's take a trip to Ace. This is where I started wanting to collect typewriters. I came in with 2 of them, and Matt, the owner of Ace, got me addicted. So he's got a lot of stuff here. On this side are mostly machines waiting to be repaired. A little bit of everything. These are mostly done items. But there's quite a bit here. So if you get a chance, come on down. Ace Typewriter. Lots of things you won't see too many other places. There's a Fox, a Vortex, some understrike machines back in here. Any ribbon you can think of. Here's a Blickensderfer. And these are machines that are for sale. So if you are in the area and you'd like to buy a machine, if you're in around North Portland, it's the best place around to get one. All right, quick look at Ace Typewriter.